What's up guys, Eric here. Today I'm going to go over my everyday carry for 2025. Now, got a couple of things that I do carry all the time. First things first, my guys, is this bad boy. These are the Ray-Ban Metas. Let's go ahead and pass it over to the overhead cam and take a look at this. Alright guys, here we are. Comes in a nice little leather case. You got a reset button, charging button, and then this here doubles up as your notification light. So green's charged. These are the Wayfarers, I believe. This model or this version of the Ray-Ban Metas allow you to record for about 3 minutes, as they have a bigger storage and can hold a lot more photos. They also have the Meta ability to identify items, track things, remind you of places you've parked. So yeah, overall these are great. Nice design. They're a little thicker than regular glasses, as you can see here. They do feature some speakers, so you can have them as a Bluetooth device as well. You've got an on-off switch right over here. Camera and a sensor. I believe one of these sides, I think it's this side here, has a white light. Here, I'll go ahead and record. Yep, you get a white light that notifies the person in front of you that you are recording, just for their privacy and yours as well. Overall though, they're great. I use them all the time for behind the scenes footage. Obviously, I have sunglasses. These aren't polarized because I wanted to be able to see the back of my camera screen and through the viewfinder. So yeah, guys, I love these things. They look great. Here, I'm going to go ahead and record so you can see what I see currently. Got my light here, my setup, mic, monitor, camera with a teleprompter on it. Up there, we've got another camera, another monitor, and light for the top down. So let's keep going. As we all know, this bad boy right here, Osmo Pocket 3, this lives with me all the time, whether it's in its own carry case or my bag. Whether we go out on the Jeep, the regular car, the Subaru, whatever it is, this goes with me at all times. Let's go ahead and take it over to the overhead cam again and go through some more stuff. Alright guys, so Osmo Pocket 3, slim, small. I always pair it with its external battery. This gives me a 1/4 inch screw mount for tripods, car mounts, suction cups, etc. Plus it gives me a little bit longer of a battery life. Second thing, the DJI Mic 2. I have it paired with a wired lav mic that if you remove the filter, up top you can plug in a lav mic and have a cable. Have it a little bit more discreet, record engine bays, exhaust without having this big thing on the back of it. Always guys, pair it with some filters. This right here is from BRDRC. Like always, everything will be linked below, down here, over here, for you to take a look at. So here you are. These come in a ND4 to 64. They work great, and it has a UV filter as well. We're back. So recently I entered this video. Why did I enter this video? I recently uploaded this video I filmed with my SmallRig magic arm. It's this video right here. And little did I know that SmallRig would enter this video into a contest to win. Bam! Come on, there it is. Yeah. So this right here is the toolkit of SmallRig and Film Riot. And let's go ahead and take it overhead. So right here we have it. So this right here is the SmallRig / Film Riot collab. This is the multi-tool kit. You get 10 different tools, anywhere from an H1.5, H2, H2.5, Phillips 1, a 3/16 Allen, I would say a flathead, just like so. So you can tighten up tripod bases to the cameras or anything else you would need. You get small, itty bitty little Phillips. You get some more Allen keys and a Torx bit. This is a T25 for most of the cages. Overall though, it's a great tool to have. It lives in its little pouch, and it's made my life extremely easy for the most part. Alright guys, last but not least, I know this isn't a crazy EDC, but this is what I carry just because I try to keep it minimal when I go out. So right here, this is the MyBat. This was sent over to me by them. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour MagSafe battery pack. It slides right onto it. It is pretty sturdy. And yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys overhead. So, get that out of here. It's right here. So this is the MyBat MagSafe battery pack. I like it because it's slim, small. It's magnetic and goes right onto my iPhone. Whoa, holy cow. It's right there. It's pretty sturdy. It works with the iPhone. Not only that, but it has on the back of it a little screen that tells you how much battery is on the MagSafe. You charge it via a USB-C fairly quickly. And it's a small factor. It goes right into my pocket. I use this all the time whenever I'm out on a hike, when we're at a wedding and I don't want to have to carry a bigger, heavier battery pack like these. This right here, this is the anchor. It's huge, but this right here has come in clutch always. So yeah, guys, that is the everyday carry of 2025 for Erik Duijsens here. If you have anything you would want to add to my list and that you recommend that I should use, someone wants to say hi, guys. Hi. Yep, Nick has gotten a little bigger since you've last seen her. Oh, big yawn. Oh, big yawn there. But yeah, guys, so like always, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you liked here, what can help you in the future. And if you have anything you recommend for me, leave a comment below. Peace out, dudes.